In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll to choose shortcuts and accessibility. Then you can click on one-handed mode after scrolling down, which is this one, and activate it thanks to this switcher next to Access mini screen via gesture. Last but not least, just follow all of those instructions. Swipe in from the screen edge, then swipe back out to open the mini screen. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, just click on this X at the top right corner. If you want to, you can also click on this icon at the top left one, and this way resize or even move your screen however you wish to. Like that, for example. Go back the same way. If you want to disable one-handed mode, just use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!